Hey, and welcome to another episode of Automate. Now, I promised you guys a quick setup guide of the smarter second generation coffee machine with Alexa so that you can voice control it and really get your money's worth for it. So, in this quick guide, and when I say quick, I mean quick guide, you're going to learn how to do that. So without further ado, let's go for it. Okay, so let's get this coffee machine working for its money. The first thing you're going to want to do is open your Amazon Alexa app. So if you tap that, and then you'll see a burger menu up in the top left hand corner there. If you hit that one, then hit skills, because we've got to find the skill to link it to the coffee machine. And in the search box, pop in smarter. It should be your first hit. And you'll see smarter iKettle 3.0 and coffee machine 2.0. Tap that one. Now you can see you've got Alexa, turn on name, and other quick descriptions of what you can actually use it for. The name refers to what you named it in the smarter application. So we called ours coffee machine. Anyway, let's hit enable. And now you've got three different choices. Depending on how you signed up with Smarter, personally I use my email. So I'm going to tap the bottom one, pop my email in with Face ID, hit next, and then I'm going to pop my password in and hit login. And that's it, you've now linked your Alexa with the Smarter skill. So now we're going to hit done. Now we're going to hit discover devices, and Alexa's going to pop off and go and find your coffee machine. Once it's finished discovering, you'll get all the devices that have been found. If you just scroll down, you'll find your coffee machine, and you'll see you can now turn it on and off with the Alexa app. So should we go and test this out? Alexa, turn on the coffee machine.
Okay.
And there we go, one coffee machine completely controlled by Alexa. Hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Also, subscribe. Let me know in the comments below any problems you had. And this is it. Automate signing out.